What is happening? Welcome back to another day. It is currently Monday. I don't even know what date it is. 14th? 15th? Well, somewhere there. We are still in Seattle. This is just going to be a quick little update video because nothing has really happened today. Or this weekend. We've just been taking it really chilled. Mostly just because this weekend we really needed to relax. So as soon as we got to Seattle and came to stay with Madison, and finally slowed down, we started to realize how tired we were and how much we really needed the rest. Much like when we were staying in New York City, then went back to Connecticut for a weekend, we were just like, wow, we are exhausted. So once you just slow down from that high, you start to realize how it can really take a toll on your body and on your mind. So needless to say, we took it really easy this weekend. Just hung out with friends pretty much, walked around the town over here in West Seattle. We went to downtown Seattle for a little bit, just went to some bars and some restaurants and played cards and chatted, and that was the weekend. And today we have literally just been working. Madison has worked like most people. So we decided to just take it easy today again and do our own work, which for me has been editing some of the vlogs, editing some photos. Quinn's been writing her blog posts. And also another reason why we are still here and we haven't moved on to the coast yet and onto all the national parks is because there has been crazy fires all along the west coast, at the top of Washington, all throughout Oregon. Oregon's really bad, and even North California as well. So in saying that, the skies have been really cloudy and foggy and smoky. It seems to be getting a bit better today, but this weekend was really bad, which is part of the reason we stayed inside and just took it easy as well. So we decided that we were gonna just wait out the week pretty much. We've been watching the news, keeping a close eye, and they've said that it's supposed to be raining tomorrow and Wednesday and Thursday, I think, thunderstorm from Thursday. So hopefully that will calm down some of the fires upstate in Washington. And also there's strong winds coming off of the sea, so hopefully that's going to be blowing all the smoke away, and then that will make it a lot easier and a lot better for us to get out into the outdoors again, because the biggest problem was that the air quality is really unhealthy, and we noticed that on the first day of arriving. Even just walking down the street, it was difficult to breathe. So we didn't want to be out there for too long camping and hiking in this weather where you are exerting yourself physically, and that can have an unhealthy impact on you and your body. So we decided once again to just take it slow and wait it out so that we can get back out there. We were considering even cutting inland to the Four Corner states like Utah and Colorado, but that's such a long drive, and we came all this way to the west coast for Washington. Most of our trips and the spots we had were planned for Washington, and most of the spots were on the west coast, so we really don't want to be missing out. So we're waiting it out, and we're going to see what happens. If the smoke doesn't clear, then we're going to have to readjust. We'll probably head inland again, and then if we have to loop back up, we don't really know, and that's been the most frustrating part. But luckily we have Madison, who has been very kind to us and offered her home as our home. So if we didn't have her, we really wouldn't have a choice but to carry on, either go inland or go back. So it's kind of put a wrench in the works for our entire trip. Obviously we'd want to be exploring right now, but it just can't happen. So yeah, that's the situation right now. We will be waiting. Maybe, like I said, it's looking a lot better today, a lot clearer. It looks like it's just fog outside right now, but it's difficult to tell the difference between fog and smoke. Although on the weekend it was a lot more yellow and brown in the air, now it looks a lot more white. So we're hoping that tomorrow's going to be a little bit better, and then we can just go out for maybe 2 or 3 hours to do a day hike / walk / check out some kind of spot. So we'll see. But that's the update for today. Sorry there's no adventure today, but I hope you understand the situation I'm in. As I said in the beginning of this whole journey, that this is just documentation of my life. I'm not making this for YouTube. I'm making this so that one day I can watch this back and my family can watch it, and it's just a documentation of life. So that's what's up. if anyone has a place for us to stay on the West Coast, that would be really appreciated. Obviously, we'd love to be camping in the outdoors every day, but the air quality isn't great. So if anyone can offer their couch or floor or anything to us for a night, please let me know. Reach out to me on Instagram and DMs, which is @Dean_Tucker, or even on Visual Rev, like wherever, or even to Quinn as well. So whatever works for you, but that would be greatly appreciated. Otherwise, we'll find our way like we have been throughout this whole trip. That's me something that's really nice is, even though it's been such a weird, crazy time, things have just seemed to work out, and it's just having the trust in the process of doing this that things will work out. Yeah, that's gonna end the update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow again.
Well, that's really fucking weird. Damn, I'm ripped.
Right? That's what I said too. I was like,
Alright, how do I like...
There you go.
Ew, he's so tall!
like, look at his eyes.
Ew, why are you like this?
It's not a
I know that. But I wanted to see if I could get it going. Oh, I don't like this.
Right? Tyler, come here.
Yeah, bitch! I know you guys are laughing at me, but I don't fucking care. I'm sweating. Oh, I went out of focus. Oh, I made it turn too, guys. Oh shit, I need to take off this sweatshirt.
You said you wanted to try boxing.
Yeah, but my form is shit.
I don't think it's too bad.
Damn, bitch!
I think you might be doing better than you do.
I know.
Just fall on my head.
Aggressive and defensive though.
No. Come on. Whoa!
That was probably just a good shot.
Guys, I'm sweating.
Oh, you're about to get knocked.
Wait, why did it just like freeze? God, I gotta run again? Come on! No! Come on, get back! Come on, no!
Oh
my god.
Hilarious. He got
So how was your experience?
Where you like almost punched the phone, and I bet it turned out so good.
I'm sweating.
Was it fun?
Yeah. Like that was like, it was scary at first. I also think it's unfair because I'm short. So it was like hard to like punch up to his face.
Yeah.
Oh my god. My heart, like, it felt like I literally just was running.
Yeah.
Madison, your turn.
Fine. What are you?
You guys coming?